8134. We're on the navigation deck. Okay, here is a room tour of stateroom 8134. Okay, first thing I want to point out is you have to insert your card key in order for the lights to come on. Okay. MS Koningsdam. In Dutch, Konings means king. Nice area to store the luggage right there. Okay, here are the closets. Please note there's an orange umbrella they provide you with, but it's not for you to keep. Okay, there's the towels and the robes. And here's the safe. Now, the safe has a light that comes on. Okay. Now, I want to point this out. This is a handicap-accessible room, and so they provide you with this. You can pull the hangers down closer to you if you're in a wheelchair. Okay, next thing I want to point out to you is the laundry package options. Okay. This is the laundry bag, this size. Okay. So here's your options. You can pay by the bag. You can fit a lot of clothes in the bag if you roll your clothes, and so you can fit a lot in the laundry bag, $20 each, or this is an 11-day cruise, unlimited laundry, $77. So that is your laundry package options. Right. This room has a queen size bed. It's the Mariner's Dream mattress on board the Koningsdam. Okay. Before we came on board, we bought some water at Walgreens. I got the Zephyr Hills. So I recommend bringing some water on board. Oh, now over here, now if you'll notice, there's a basket for fruit. They'll bring you fresh fruit if you request it. Okay, ice bucket, and here's water. That everything comes at a price. Yeah. 6 bottles of Evian water, $24. So we brought our own water. We bought from Walgreens before we came. Right over here, I want to point out the life jackets, and then here's some blankets. You can sit out on the balcony, put a blanket over you. Right here is the mini fridge. Okay, that purified water, I brought that with us. So I brought the purified water with us and put it in the fridge, so we won't be charged for that. Here we are out on the balcony. Leslie, say hello.
Hello, I'm typing out our how to lose weight routine. This whole time we're going to exercise. Get up early, exercise. Then we're going to go ahead, hit the gym early. Then walk, and breakfast. Then walk, and then activities that they're going to have through the whole entire season.
Well, now, let me point out, it looks like we've got a pretty nice sized balcony. No complaints. And no complaints about the view. This is it. We are here at Port Everglades. Awesome, we're excited. Right, here is the restroom, and stateroom 8134 is a handicap accessible stateroom. My wife is a stroke survivor, and so she walks with a cane that needs the grab bars, etc., etc. So here is a bench you can sit down on. We brought a night light. Right, so you can see this is a nice sized bathroom as well. All right, to conclude the tour, you can press this and the door will open. Okay, it did close tight. All right, that concludes the tour of stateroom 8134 aboard the Holland America line MS Koningsdam. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe.